Hi everyone, and welcome again to peacefulbend.com and another weekly wine chat. I'm Katie, and I'm here to try to answer your wine-related questions. And this week I got a question from the Elder Hostel group that I taught a class for, asking about the closures that we used on wine bottles. Now, in a previous wine chat, we talked about how to recap your bottle, but they were actually asking why we use synthetic closures and why she's seeing a lot of wines that are using the twist-off caps to close off their wines. And the reason for this is that natural cork is actually made from the bark of a cork tree, and unfortunately there's a fungus that can grow in that bark, which if it gets processed into the corks we use in our wine bottles, it causes some very off flavors and off aromas, or bad smelling aromas. And we call that cork taint in the wine. And that aroma is kind of like a musty, moldy basement, so it's really unpleasant, and you don't want that. It really ruins your wine quality. So a lot of wineries are going to twist-off caps, which are nice and easy to open and then reclose again. And if you can't afford that equipment changeover, like Clyde and I, then you'll see a lot of wineries using some type of a synthetic closure. These are plastic corks. And they're very nice. They're actually a little easier to get out of the bottle than a lot of the natural corks. And, you know, they're fun to bounce on the table after you're done using them. Or you could use them for erasers, I've discovered too. So you can also use them for your craft projects too. They work out pretty well for cork boards and that kind of stuff too. So anyways, just thought I'd let you know why we're switching over, or why you see a lot of wineries switching over to a little different style closure. And as usual, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section on this blog, or you can email me at winery@peacefulbend.com. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye.